We cannot be complacent, and I won't stand by and allow this virus to threaten to cause more pain and more heartache in our country.
British Prime Minister Boris Johnson halting plans to ease coronavirus restrictions that were set to begin in England Saturday, as new estimated infections have jumped to nearly 5,000 a day compared to 2,000 at the end of June. And tougher rules now in place in northern England, where some 4 million people are being told not to mix with other households amid an increasing rate of transmission in the area.
With those numbers creeping up, our assessment is that we should now squeeze that brake pedal in order to keep the virus under control.
Casinos, bowling alleys, skating rinks, indoor concert venues, and wedding receptions for up to 30 people will now not be permitted until August 15th at the earliest.
Steps that we're taking will be a real blow to many people, to everyone, obviously, whose wedding plans have been disrupted or who cannot now celebrate Eid in the way that they would wish. And I'm really, really sorry about that, but we simply cannot take the risk.
To Vietnam, where there was early success in containing the virus, the country now reporting its first COVID-19 death. A cluster of new infections recently detected here after Vietnam went 100 days without a confirmed case. Tokyo warning it could declare a state of emergency if the coronavirus situation worsens. The Japanese capital recording more than 460 new infections Friday. That's an all-time single-day high. Hong Kong's leader citing a spike in new cases, announcing Friday the local election that was scheduled for September will now be postponed for a year. The opposition accusing the government of using the pandemic to subvert voting rights just a day after 12 pro-democracy candidates were banned from running in the election.
Beyond any doubt, it's the most scandalous election fraud ever in Hong Kong history.
As we wrap up another week in the global pandemic, the number of confirmed cases worldwide is now well over 17 million, and deaths are nearing 680,000. The World Health Organization Friday acknowledging what those countries we just listed off are experiencing.
Many countries that believed they were past the worst are now grappling with new outbreaks. Some that were less affected in the earliest weeks are now seeing escalating numbers of cases and deaths.
And while vaccine development is happening at a record speed, according to the WHO, we need to learn to live with the virus and fight it with the tools we have, things like social distancing and hand washing. Melissa Duggan, City News.